stressed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This feels very strange. I haven't done a sit down video. When I always film, things go wrong. I am so fed up today. So I decided I'm going to do a sit down video. So next door's decided to have their windows refitted. So now there's like a guy outside in the van. Of all days I decide to film, something is always going on. I'm so annoyed. I need to move. Honestly, need to move. Seriously, need to move. I hope you're all okay. I can't even believe it's been so long since I've spoken to you guys. I had to, oh God, look at this fucking top. What's that? Maybe sick. God. Okay. Guys, I am just in hyper mode. I have got my caramel cloud macchiato. Amazing. Get that on the shot. First and foremost, thank you for 14k. Unbelievable. I am so lucky to have you in my life, guys. I hope, I don't know, do I have to raise it up a bit? I don't know. God, that might be really bad. Let me wait for the guy next door to come out again, because he's not been out enough, has he? Do people not understand? Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about just, do you know what, random rubbish, because I think it's time we had a catch up now. Like, it's been ages. We haven't really caught up in a while. I want to talk about, I don't know even where to begin, to be honest. I want to talk about my weight loss. So I have been on a weight loss plan. I hope you can tell. My face has definitely slimmed down. My body is on my stomach. I'm wearing an oversized t-shirt, but I think I need to get some more clothes because everything I've got is like oversized and I need to kind of get more kind of tight-fitting clothes. I don't know if you can tell, guys, but I feel great. I'm on a very healthy eating plan, and it's really benefiting me because I think last year when I was doing all these mukbangs, I know it was great for you guys to watch, but I think in my head I was thinking, oh my God, like I can't keep doing these videos every day. I was smashing the videos down, and I think I did gain a bit of weight. For sure, from the first beginning, you know, from the video where I was talking about the what's in my bag video, you can definitely tell like I'm completely different in that video, like weight wise. And last year I was thinking, oh my God, it's getting too out of hand now, like I need to kind of rein it in. So I've been on this kind of healthy eating plan since about a month or two. Basically it consists of rice cakes, peanut butter, pulses like quinoa's like a superfood, lots of eggs, salad, vegetables, chicken now and again, but that's pretty much it, like really strict. And I've been seeing the benefits so much, guys. I'm so happy. I feel like that guy's just gonna come from the corner and fucking surprise me. I've just been feeling so happy, guys. I really have. I needed to do something and I've finally done it. And I just think now it's harder for me because I was already thin to kind of lose weight. But I think you guys have noticed as well in my videos, I've had some comments. So thank you so much for, you know, encouraging me, saying nice things about me. Do you know what? I have a lot to talk about and I didn't realise. I've been feeling a bit shit. I think part of the reason why is because I haven't actually had to sit down with you. Like, it really does help if you kind of say out your problems out loud to someone to hear. I know it sounds really stupid, but it really does help. So I'm going to do that today. So yeah, that is my number one thing, this healthy eating plan. Now, I think to myself, what? I just don't even know what I'm talking about, do you? What was I going to say? This is what I mean. I just can't even, I don't have a structure. I should just like write things down of what to talk about. But you guys love this about me. You love that I'm this authentic kind of self. I can't be anyone else. So yeah, that's my number one thing. My second thing, I have had my hair redone. I've had so much stuff that's happened and done, more like superficial wise. So I've got some new hair. I have some kind of darker bits at the bottom. This is 26-inch extensions. I've had my lips done again and I've had my Botox. I mean, look at my Botox, guys. I'm sorry. But look at my eyebrows. How high do these go now? You know, I've had some shitty comments about my Botox and my lip fillers, and I think it's so disgusting. Like, really want to address the amount of hate, like, just talking to me about, you were so much better before, your lips, you're that, and you're so young for Botox. I mean, guys, like, people don't understand that Botox is aimed at kind of late 20s, because that's when you're starting to get to age. I mean, we age every, I think it's 10 years or 20 years. And, you know, 30 is another milestone. My Botox on that makes me feel happy. I mean, my face is wrinkle-free. Look at that. There's no movement, absolutely none. And I just, for one thing, I like the way it makes me look. I like the fact that when I have Botox, my eyelids open up. Like, it's just a lift. It's like a facelift. And I love that. And I love it. I love it, guys. It makes me feel happy as a person, and it makes me happier. Like, surely that's a good thing, isn't it? If you feel happier with it, like, it doesn't matter what you look like, what other people think you look like. If you feel happier, if it emphasizes, if it makes you want to go out, on a night out instead of staying at home because you feel that bit more confident, then why the fuck not? Like, people are so quick to judge on every little thing. Like, they want you to stay the same person forever. That they want you to stay that person that they first saw you. They don't want you to change. It's like they're just the same with the media, you know, celebrities and stuff. They want you to be that perfect little thing. And people change all the time. Like, we're never the same people from one day to the next. So if I want to get my work done, and I want to get my lips done, I want to get Botox, I will always continue to get my Botox, always. And it will never stop. Same with my lips. If you don't like that, then exit the channel. My subscribers are growing every day. I really will not miss one hater whatsoever. I've had people calling me out about my weight, saying that I was having a bulimic episode, a binge and purge. I mean, I presume the person that messaged me this comment knows that I've suffered from an eating disorder, and I find that so disgusting for you to put that out there. I find it immensely triggering. For someone to write that is horrific. It really is. And I don't understand this. You know, if someone was concerned, you go about it in a different way. You maybe message someone. You don't put it out there on a public, you know, page like that. It made me feel like, it didn't actually make me feel anything. It made me feel angry, if anything. It didn't make me feel sad, because I'm strong enough. You know, I've done all that. I have binge and purged. I have restricted. I've done all of that, and now I'm in a better place. And for someone to say that and to be so condescending really makes me fucking mad. It makes me sick. It really does. I think it's absolutely the lowest of the low. And it's unacceptable behaviour. And if I see anything like that on my channel again, I will be blocking. And I'll be calling out, because I did call this person out on my community tab. I did delete it because it's immature. But I will leave you out to dry for a couple of days. I'm sorry, because it's disgusting. It's wrong. And I will not be standing for it. I've been on a tangent. So yeah, hate that. What else? You know, I've just been feeling a bit, I don't know, I've been feeling like, now I feel great talking to you guys, but I've just been feeling so uninspired, so down, like, just really fed up, guys, like, really fed up, like, more than I've ever felt in my life. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm not making enough videos. I know I'm working a lot. But every time every chance I have to make a video, I will do that for you guys, because I love you and you are all so amazing. Oh, by the way, I've had my head on. I've put a money piece sign. Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm flip-flopping from topic to another, one to another. But, and you see this side is blonde. And then this is just my natural kind of roots growing out. I've done that myself. I really like that. Also, my nails, I've had my acrylics taken off. I'm just going to let them breathe, because I'm quite fed up of acrylics. I don't like how they look. I don't like any salon where I live. I think they just don't know how to do nails. I'm sorry. I think it's absolutely shit. So until I find someone that actually knows how to do my nails, I'm going to do them myself. I bought a curing machine and a filer thing, you know, that electric thing. And I've just been doing my own gels. And do you know what? I think I prefer it. I'm done with acrylics. I think they look great for the first few days. Then they start getting like talons. They start getting like just shit looking. And I don't like them. It gets dirt all over it underneath. And that's it. So I'm going to do my own nails. I think they look much neater. I love the white. I think it's really, really cool. So yeah, a lot of change, really. A lot of change in my life. A lot of self-reflecting to do, I think. I really want to just get away. I want to move away. I would love to move away. I want to kind of find who I really am. Like, I know I'm finding myself now, but I just want to... I need some time away. I feel like I really do. Because I just feel like I'm getting just... really fed up with life. Everything's mundane. I feel like things that have gone on that I don't feel have ever been put to bed. You know what I mean? You only feel like, nothing is just has a clear ending to it. Clear, like, okay, we're gonna move on from this. It just feels, everything's like odds and ends in my head. That's how it feels like. So it's pretty shit. I don't know, I just feel, yeah, pretty crap like that. I don't know why. It's hard. I feel like everything's an effort. I do feel like that. I feel like everything's becoming an effort. I feel like I've got so much to sort out and so little time. Like, it feels overwhelming. And you guys probably feel the same. You know this. Like, I am 100% authentic in myself. And you guys should be too. And if you ever want to speak to me about anything, I know I'm just venting to you because you're my friends. This is what friends do. You can always talk to me on Instagram, xxfmattison, on here. But yeah, everything's, you know, on that side it's going crap. YouTube side, I know I'm doing this healthy eating thing, and I'm just not a diet. It's just healthy choices. It's a healthy plan that I'm doing, and the mukbangs will still be continuing because I will never stop doing mukbang because it's, you know, what I love doing. And I'm not going to be doing like healthy mukbangs and stuff because why should you have to kind of suffer for because I want to eat healthy? Like, you want to see good, like, not fattening food, but you want to see proper food. So I'm going to give you that. I've also got a couple of collaborations coming along. It's really weird because I haven't had any collabs for a while and they've all just come in at once. So that's really exciting. I'll let you know when obviously I've done the videos and all that. But I'm really, really excited for my channel still. You know, oh God, I thought someone was there then. It's a fucking plant. Green, fucking hell. This plant. And I really need some greenery. I really, really need some, like, there's not been enough in my house. Obviously, that's my deep teak candle, which I've never even burnt. I've had this nearly a year and it's just not, I'm too scared. It's too expensive to burn. This was like £70. So cute. But yeah, I just love you guys. I really do. Follow me on TikTok as well, guys. It's xxfmattison. I'm having such a laugh on there again. I don't like the algorithm though on TikTok because people kind of, sometimes I'll get like thousands of views and I'll get like 200 and it's just shit. It's a bit like YouTube actually. But I'm just excited, guys. What else have I got to tell you? I'm glad you're enjoying my mukbangs. I love doing them. I love doing them. I just love you guys. And you know what? I'm so proud of my success. I mean, I've had people message. I've had so much hate this week. It's been like the week of hate. I've had people messaging me saying that my channel is still a small one, so I need to stop being big-headed and you need to write back to your subscribers. I can't get back to every single one of them, you know. I've had 90, I think it was 100 comments on this other video, and the comments are getting more and more and more. I can't physically get back to every single one of them, but the ones that I see, I mean, I have a life. I don't just sit on my computer and just do nothing. You know, I work. So the comments that I see that I read, if I can't, I apologize. But I value every single one of you guys so much. And for someone to say that, to take that, to kind of undermine my success on YouTube. Yes, I've got 14,000 subscribers. Am I Trisha Payter? I would love to speak. Am I Trisha Paytas standard of kind of subscriber? Do I have the same? What am I talking about? Am I on the level of Trisha Paytas with my subscribers? You know, millions? No, but do you know what? I don't think I want to get to 1 million. Like, I'm happy with what I've got. I've been doing YouTube for a year and a half and I have 14,000 subscribers. I'm from England and I feel English people slightly in the minority because mukbang is an American Korean trend. And yes, I am the most, and yes, I am the only mukbanger in England to have 14,000. I am the biggest mukbanger in England. And I'm sorry that sounds really big-headed, but that's the truth. You know, find someone else in England that's got more than 14,000 subscribers. You won't, I don't think you'll find a solely mukbanger. Maybe I'm wrong. You know, it's an achievement and I'm proud of that. And I just don't understand why people come for people like that. It's just not on, it's not fair, and it's not cool. But no one will ever take my success. Fucking hell, I need to calm down. No one will ever take my success away, guys. You have all been so amazing to me. You really have. I love every single one of you. I've got something in my eye. I'm very excited for this journey. I know this year's been a crap one. Everyone's feeling down because of coronavirus. It's been very, very just, you know, it's not been good. And next year is hopefully going to be a better one. But even though they've just announced in England today that social gatherings of more than 6 is now going to be banned, I feel like another mukbang. I feel like another lockdown might be coming, but we need to stay positive. And we just need to be there for each other, guys, because if we aren't, then no one else is going to be. And it's important that we stick together. We don't tear each other down. You know, this is my channel that I feel is a safe haven for you guys. If you ever feel alone or sad, guys, you know I'm here for you. I will always be there for you. And you've been there for me. You've understood me through thick and thin. And I want to be there for you guys. So, guys, I'm going to wrap the video up. I'm sorry I've been so kind of like erratic, but the coffee has not helped. And I'm excited to talk to you guys because I find this has been like a catch-up session. If there's anything you want to talk to me about, guys, please sound off in the comments or send me a private message. Anything. I feel like he's there, but he's not. Fucking hell. I love you all so much, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more mukbangs, collabs. I want to do vlogs. I want to do what I eat in a day. I want to do more things. So stay tuned. And thank you. And please be patient if you don't see a video. You know, if you don't see videos pop up as much as you would in the past, but I'm so busy, guys, and I'm still making time for you guys because you guys are where it's at. You really are. So I love you all so much. Have an amazing rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video.